Hello, I'm Dirk Desmond. This week our discussion board is my pledge, which is supposed to be our pledge on how we are going to be using the tools that we learned in class and how we are going to implement them into our classroom. I have 4 quarterly goals or pledges that deal with using technology tools and teaching different units throughout the year. The other pledge is how I can expand my professional learning network and what websites I will use. My first pledge is to use the unit lesson plan that I created in week 4 activity. I designed an activity that was similar to the information literacy exercise to allow students to gain knowledge about when, where, and how the Mesopotamian civilization developed and the different aspects of the civilization. I then devised a lesson in which students were to use Prezi to create a media presentation to display the information. My second pledge is to have students create a web page based on the aspects of ancient Greek civilization. We'll once again create an activity similar to the information literacy exercise that allows students to learn about the important aspects of the Greek civilization. Then I will have students create a web page by using Google Sites sharing important information over the ancient Greek civilization. My third pledge is to incorporate a media presentation by having students compare how the northern region and the southern region of the United States developed differently during the 1800s in my American history class. My final pledge is to have a web conference with an expert to present his or her thoughts and expertise on the Civil War. I'm not sure what aspects of the war I'm going to have the presentation to be on, but as I make more connections and research on who would be able to do this, I'll further develop my plan. I would try to have something similar to what Eric Langhorst did with his classroom in his web presentation that he set up for the Second Constitutional Convention and the signing of the Declaration of Independence. I will also try to implement a new technological strategy in a unit every quarter throughout my teaching career. For my non-teaching activities, I pledge to build a large PLN by being more active on Twitter and using Google Plus to gain insight from teachers that have great ideas to use in the classroom to support implementation of technology. Hopefully you have a good idea of how I'm going to use the technological tools in my classroom and how I'm going to become a more effective teacher by using PLNs. Thank you.